We're on page 30 now. It's Unit 7. This lesson talks about eighth notes and how to play eighth notes. And to do that, it includes the different symbols for strumming or plucking down and plucking up or strumming up. The down symbol kind of looks like a staple or a box with the bottom knocked out of it. That means you can pluck that note down or strum that chord down. And the up stroke is like a V. And that means you pluck that note or strum up on that chord. And I hope you've already taken time to read through the material at the top of page 30. If you haven't, please do that now and pull up track 30 on the first CD, or go to the website where you can listen to track 30 for CD 1 and listen to the lesson that describes how to count eighth notes and lets you play a few of them and talks about the down and the up strum marks. What I'm going to do today is play through with you the eighth note picking study. It's not on the CD, but this is a chance for you to practice that downstroke and upstroke using the eighth note count. When we have eighth notes, we usually just add the and to the count. So we would count a song in 4/4 time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now on page 30 you'll notice that some of the ands are in parentheses. That means you don't actually have to say them out loud. You can just count for each note that you play. And that simplifies it a little bit. So let's get the guitars going. And I'll count this off and invite you to play along with me. You can watch my right hand and hopefully that'll help keep us all together. Eighth note picking study, page 30 in the book. It's all on the number 2 string, the B string. Make sure you're holding your pick correctly as we've already talked about. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Let's try it a second time. Get another try at it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now to make sure we've got the strum marks, I'm going to do it this time just saying down or up for the direction that you should be plucking. And for those of you who prefer not to use a pick, I'll just use my thumb. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down.